Assalamu alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. In this episode, we reflect on the Battle of Uhud, a powerful story of courage, human error, and the lessons that shape the Muslim Ummah forever. After their defeat at Badr, the Quraysh of Makkah prepared for revenge. Led by Abu Sufyan, they assembled 3,000 soldiers and marched toward Medina, determined to crush the Muslims once and for all. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, initially planned to defend Medina from within, but the younger companions wished to fight outside the city. Respecting the majority, the Prophet led an army of about 700 Muslims to Mount Uhud. 50 archers were positioned on a hill to protect the Muslim army's rear. The Prophet warned them strictly, "Do not leave your post no matter what happens." At first, the Muslims were winning. The Quraysh army began to retreat. But thinking the battle was over, many archers left their posts to gather spoils. This opened the rear for a surprise attack by Khalid ibn al-Walid. Chaos followed. Many companions were martyred, and the Prophet himself was injured. 70 Muslims were lost, including the Prophet's beloved uncle, Hamza, radiyallahu anhu. The Quraysh, however, did not pursue into Medina and returned to Makkah. The Battle of Uhud taught the Ummah about the consequences of disobedience, the tests of faith, and the Prophet's unmatched patience and leadership. Despite the loss, the Muslims remained strong and united. Surah Al-Imran, 3-139, reminds us, "So do not weaken and do not grieve, and you will be superior if you are true believers." The Battle of Uhud wasn't just about winning or losing, it was about growing, learning, and trusting Allah even in trials. In episode 10, we will cover the major events leading to the Treaty of Hudaybiyah and the peaceful turning point in Islamic diplomacy. Subscribe to 5-Star Deen and walk with us through the complete journey of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, life and mission, full of wisdom, tests, and divine guidance.